Sorry, once again, got caught off by a work phone call, and I don't want to piece them together, so it'll just be released one after the other. But I believe what we're talking about, if it got bearish, obviously you'd get below the 256, and then we would look at more underneath supports. These don't have to continue to go up, but the market is very bullish right now. Trump is talking about firing the Fed, Jerome Powell, and you can see our palladium is up 3.88%, 4% again today. Platinum is up 1.64% today. The dollar is tanked 0.5% off the news that Trump wants to fire Jerome Powell because he wants to get 1% interest rates. What do you think that's going to do to the dollar? The assault's going to continue. What do you think it's going to do to gold and silver and platinum and palladium and commodities? They're going to continue breaking all-time highs. Where do you think the mining sector is going? It's going to all-time highs. We had a nice consolidation for a quick chance at accumulation or entering the market. If you have not entered the mining sphere yet, we had a nice 3 to 5% from the most recent peaks in most of these stocks recently. So that's always a good time to buy when they have a brief consolidation for a day or two. But you can see the gold bullion is at 33.51. Silver bullion almost hit $40 2 days ago. It's going to 40, and then it's going to take out 50 very, very soon. If we look at real quick, AMP, the most depressing point ever, but it may be finally starting to move. We look like we successfully stayed on top of the 50-day moving average in the daily. We're going to come to the 100-day moving average after that. Then I believe we're going to get on top of that, take out the 200-day in the daily, and then get on top of this critical green support and resistance line, which was the mean of the swing high where you got rejected last time. I believe you're going to break that. And I believe an AMP, the overdue pump, is getting close to going on. And you can watch a video from a couple of days ago. We broke down how long it went from peak to trough to peak, right? And we're right on schedule. And I believe the next part of this uptrend is going to start. We've had our double bottom from the current price. I think we're about to have a 1 to nearly 2x move in the next 2 to 3 weeks. I'm not saying to buy. I'm not a financial advisor. I did buy more. I'm just a smidgen under 1 million AMP coins as I picked up an additional 400,000 over the last 10 days because I do believe a big move is coming in AMP. Just like HBAR had the double bottom and you had the nice pump. If HBAR continues to pump, your next upper resistance is up here. We'll make that blue at about 34 cents. Your major lower support in HBAR are the moving averages where you got the 200, you got the 100 right there, and then you have the 50 about to make a golden bullish cross where it's going to get on top of both of those. As long as you're above those, you're very bullish. And the next upside target is 34 cents. LCX, we're trying to pump. We pumped off to 0.093. What you need to do in LCX to continue this bullish now, because you've been so depressed. You could see now where you look to take out, you're over the 50-day moving average. Come on. You're over the 50-day moving average now. You're about to reclaim the 100-day moving average. Then you'll reclaim the 14.5 cents and then the 200-day moving average. And then I believe once you get above this 200-day moving average, I think your next major move is coming up here to 22 cents. And I believe this could be a big pump in LCX in a big area that you guys need to watch, as you could see as much as a flash 67% pump here in the immediate short term. Major lower support, obviously, is this yellow support box at 0.092. Like the channel, subscribe. I got to let you go. We're going to look at DGB in just a brief, quick second here. You can see DGB is trying to do what we drew out the other day. It's worked its way over the 50-day moving average. It's worked its way on top of the 0.00840. It's worked its way over the 100-day moving average, just below the 200-day moving average. And if it breaks that, your first initial upside target is up at 0.01187. Obviously, your lower support is the swing low behind it, but I'm thinking this is coming to the upside, as well as XDC on a pump to the upside. Your first major upper resistance is the 0.10 or a move from current price of 33%. Like the channel, subscribe, peace and love.